Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an Arm Jive Teapot slide break. Now, the slide break exit could be used on any teapot. I prefer the Arm Jive entrance to the teapot, so I'm putting my favourite bits together. So basically, you're taking your way out of the teapot. Instead of it normally feels like a step across, we're doing something that feels more like a shoulder slide, but in technical terms, it's a slide break. Knowing how to do an Arm Jive Teapot would be really helpful already, so link to that in the description below. Knowing how to do a slide break already, link to that in the description below as well. And then you're ready for this. It's really fairly easy. So it goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3 and 4. How long you walk for is up to you. I picked how long I walked for then, so I was able to look at the camera as we finished. So let's break it down. Starts man's left, lady's right. Starts standard arm jive. 2 hands. We're going to go left, right to the shoulder. We're going to drop the right to relax it. We're going to take the left over the lady as we lead the turn. The lady goes all the way around. We get into what would have been a swizzle, except the guy steps forwards, reaches around the far hip to get into our teapot. Often you'll find an arm jive entrance will give you a better position in the teapot than actually trying to go in normally. Obviously, the more skilled you are, the better position you'll get in both. And then from here, you're just walking for a bit. And then at some point, you let go. The hand that is on the shoulder is going to slide. It will help if you turn the lady's hand so she's palm down onto the shoulder, because she'll be better at keeping contact with you as you slide away, all the way down to that right hand, and then just return. Basically, if the lady has a palm onto you, she tends to maintain the contact much better than if she has the back of the hand. Most ladies, when you get the back of the hand, will end up bouncing off, whereas a palm, they get much more pressure into, and you're much more likely to maintain the contact you're trying to create. So let's break it down and do numbers. We go semicircle back, 2 hands. We go left, sorry, that was 1, left, count 2, right, count 3, shoulder on 4, turning 5, teapot position on 6. We're going to walk for 2, 7 and 8. Remember to get the hand round ready, sliding 1, catching 2, return 3 and back 4. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, arm jive teapot, slide break. You go, a back, left, right, shoulder, turn, teapot, walk, walk, slide, catch, return and back. And obviously you can accelerate or decelerate a little bit in the rotation part, so you can send the lady into the gap on the dance floor you're aiming for, or in this case along, so we're not hitting furniture and we're still able to look at the camera. Okay, hope you enjoy that, hope you find it useful. If you are finding what we do useful, do like the videos. If you want to get more stuff, subscribe to the channel, and if you hit the notification bell, you get told every time a new video comes out. End of the video, there is a music recommendation, something nice to practice to, comes up in one of the windows in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.